ito lang ang news outfit na talagang anti-communist. Wala nang iba, Pastor.
Yes, Mayor. Totoo.
Walang ibang studio. Wala. Walang ibang network na talagang ang passion is really to criticize. Hindi naman nasabihin mo na encouraging the military or the police to kill them. Hindi naman ganun. But you know,
to inform the people.
The essence of democracy is the right to dissent. Kung may sabihin ka, then I have the right to agree or disagree with you. Kung dito naman ako, kayong nandyan, kung tanggalin mo yung right to dissent, then there is no democracy at all.
Oo. Kung hindi ka na pwede
Wala
magsalita.
the right to dissent. That's the very essence of democracy.
Yun. Pinaginitan ka, Mayor, kung nagsasalita ka ng totoo, tulad ngayon, tapos, halimbawa, may gobyerno, ikaw pinaginitan dahil nagsasalita ka ng totoo. Wala nang democracy.
Well, alam mo, Pastor, if whatever happens, there is always the Supreme Court. So, yun ang, then we can present your case na ganito.